If your DaVinci Resolve gets stuck at the Loading Projects screen and never fully launches, you might be facing a Python-related error. Check your log files. If you see an error mentioning Fatal Python Error, Failed to Import Encodings Module, here's a quick solution. Press Win+R, type SystemPropertiesAdvanced and press Enter. In the window that appears, click on Environment Variables. Under the System Variables section, click New and add a variable named PythonHome with the value seen in the photo. Similarly, add another variable named PythonPath with the same path seen in the photo. Double-check your setup. Your environment variables should match what's shown here. After setting these variables, restart your PC and launch DaVinci Resolve again. Your UI should load properly without freezing. If this video helped you, please share it to help others facing the same issue.